Best NFT art platforms for 2021 to buy and sell NFT art. Hi guys, today I'm showing you around different websites and marketplaces where you can sell and buy NFT artwork. Now, how to create NFT artwork or how you actually buy and sell, that's not part of the video. This is just a list of different websites that are available in 2021. So let's get started. So the first website is niftygateway.com. Now niftygateway.com is one of the most famous NFT art platforms out there because it has almost all type of art available, and there are different creators that are available, very famous creators, and you can find different type of art. Every website of course has different type of arts, and this one actually has a variety, and you can see that you can actually find a lot of cool art right here. If you are an artist and you're looking for a website where you will be able to sell your art in good amount, then that's the Nifty Gateway actually provides you that. So yeah, you can actually come here and browse the marketplace. You can actually check out their prices right here. For example, this is $195 and it is saying recently sold. Now on Nifty Gateway, the thing is that it's very common and everybody has Nifty Gateway, so your art literally sells within minutes. Now that's a good thing and also a bad thing if you wanted to buy something, so you'll have to hurry up. So you can see how efficient Nifty Gateway is. So yeah, if you're looking for an art platform to sell your NFT art, then definitely niftygateway.com is a website for you. At number 2, we have Super Rare. Now Super Rare is an amazing website with a lot of cool artwork right here. You can find a different, now this is different than Nifty Gateway because the art form on Super Rare is a little different from Nifty Gateway, but it has very cool artwork. Also, if you are a seller, you can actually bid a very good amount on your art, and then you can see right here that these are the different artworks that are available right here. You can see, and you can see different offers. For example, at this art, it has been offered 7,600 USD, which is amazing. The artwork is amazing. So yeah, if you have this kind of abstract art form, then Super Rare will be amazing website for you. And you can actually see their market stats right here, that $72 million has been earned by the artist and 38 million by secondary sales. So it's amazing. People are earning a lot of money through it. So yeah, you should also check out Super Rare. Next on the list is Maker's Place. Now Maker's Place is very famous and very cool platform, and again it has a little different art form from other websites that I showed you. It has this very cool and new art form as well, and you can see right here that creators right here, top collectors, popular creations, featured creations. So it is a very well managed website. Now I'm talking about these websites. So the NFTs and the crypto and the prices, all of the websites, they have different pricing and they have different way of their how their blockchain works and everything like that, but that's a whole other topic. So yeah, you can actually but all of them work on the same thing. They have NFT art, so that's what is common. So you can see right here that you will find these cool artwork right here. If you are a seller, then Maker's Place is a very good place for you because it has a lot of variety. You can put up your art right here, and they used to be very strict, but now they have adapted, and they have actually allowed different creators to come. But make sure your portfolio is good enough, your art is good enough, so any of these websites will allow your artwork to be displayed. So yeah, Maker's Place is an amazing platform for you to show your art and sell your art, and the prices are good, and they have featured creators also, so you can check them out. If I go to just right here, so yeah, this is Maker's Place. The next one is non-origin. Now, non-origin is very different from others. It has this anime and very abstract art form, but of course all of the art forms are available everywhere, but the most famous ones are these kind of arts. And you can actually come on the website and you will check out that their pricing or their reserve pricing for this is the token price for this one. And you can sell your art right here, and the amount you can see that it actually shows you the quality and everything of the art. Well, non-origin is not that famous or that developed as we talk about the others that I mentioned before, but yeah, it's awesome. If you're allowed, if your art gets here, if you are an artist, you should apply on every website, because that's amazing. If someone does not allow your art, maybe other will, and they will see through it. So yeah, you should try to reach all of these websites and check them out as an artist to sell your art. And if you are buying art, then you should also go on all of these websites, because they are amazing and they have amazing and very talented people right here. So yeah, non-origin is and your option right here. The next website is CryptoArtAI. Now, most of you must not have heard about it because it's pretty new, but it's amazing. It's the future of NFT art, because right now it's pretty new, but I think it has a lot of potential to be one of the best, because it has very amazing art and the website is very well developed. You can see right here all of the pricing for the art and what their edition is. If you will click on the art, you will be able to get all of these information about the art, their pricing, and if they are available or not, so everything. And you can see that these have actually very good amount. You can see that they are actually have very good pricing for you as a seller. You will be earning a lot of money on CryptoArtAI. And it has it you can see right here they have this overview of the website. There are 574 art that have been sold and artist 904. So yeah, I'm just saying that it's pretty new, but it's amazing. It has the potential. So if you are an artist and you're looking for NFT art platform, then you should definitely go ahead and check out CryptoArtAI, because it has less competition at this point. It will help your art to grow. So yeah, definitely CryptoArtAI is amazing. Do check it out right now. Now we're gonna discuss some open platforms that also allow the artwork. Now the first one is Rarible.com. Rarible is amazing NFT platform out there, and on Rarible you can actually find anything. They have everything. You can just say anything under the sun is available on Rarible. They have collectibles, they have memes, and whatever anything that is NFT that is available on Rarible. So yeah, art form is also available on Rarible. You can sell your art, buy different art. All of the famous creators are available on Rarible, and you can find any art form. If you want to sell your art, then Rarible is also an amazing platform, because many people know Rarible and it has a very big audience. So you will be able to sell your art very easily on Rarible, and you will also able to find art very easily, because there are many creators that use Rarible, and Rarible actually allows you to earn money very easily. So yeah, Rarible is an amazing platform. Do check it out. If you are an artist, then checking out all these art platforms, you should also check out these open platforms as well. Then we have OpenC. Now we all love OpenC because OpenC is amazing. OpenC has everything. It's actually kind of like, we can compare it to Rarible, because this is also an open platform and it has almost everything that you find or you look for. So and it also includes artwork. So definitely OpenC is an option, and OpenC also provides you this a feature in which if you are a seller, you don't have to pay the transaction fee every time, so you just pay it one time. So that's actually very cool, and it has, you can create your art here, you can collect and sell extraordinary NFTs. So yeah, OpenC is definitely an option for you to check out if you are willing to sell or buy art in 2021. Now at last we have PixelChain. Now PixelChain is not that famous and most of the people have not heard about it, but it's amazing because I have, checked it out in the start, and I have, worked on this one. It's amazing. It has, most of the time, is it has pixel art, as you can, tell by the name. So as I told you, all of these websites have different type of art. So on PixelChain, if you like pixel art, then PixelChain is the best NFT, art platform out there. It has all of these cool pixel art that you can sell and buy in very good amount. So yeah, I think this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.